construction of lithium factory. This project is one of the major projects of Colonel Assimi Goita. It begins production in August for annual capacity of 2.5 million tons of mineral. The volume of the investment amounts to nearly 200 billion CFA. The recognition of the contract for this mine and the application of the provisions of the new mining code have made it possible to increase the share of the state and nationals from 20 to 35%. The company exceptionally opened its doors. The Galmina mine is well structured and organized and controlled. Security measures have impact on the progress of the work. 5 million hours of work, no incident was recorded on the site, and the planned installations are imagined from the ground for construction of the lithium plant. 90% progress rate. It is a world-class factory we have here with a processing capacity of 2.5 million tons of mineral per year. Activities are currently in progress. Structural assembly, sheet metal installation, electrical instrumentation. Also, the commissioning of the main infrastructures. The Goa Mine project represents the 5th largest assessment of lithium in the world and West Africa, with the key to an investment of approximately $380 million, a colossal investment and a very precise mineral extraction process. Wow, this is huge. This is massive. When I came across this news, I was so excited. This is what we want to be hearing in Africa. I was so excited when I came across this. This will go a long way to enhance productivity in Mali, job opportunities. It will create so many things. Like I can go on and mention the impact of this. We have implanted the drilling holes. Now the machines will come and drill. Modern machines are used and they are impressive. We have 300-ton excavator, which cost about 4 billion CFA, 100-ton trucks for now. The lithium is contained in mineral. The concentrate of this product is then exported to China in order to carry out the final treatment to finally obtain the lithium oxide, being the main mineral mined. I commend Colonel Assimi Goita for this. He has done noble. This is huge. This project is massive and is really gonna bring Mali to limelight. This is a huge one. This is good. Well done. Keep it coming. We are watching. The world is watching. Like I said, and I've always said, and I keep saying, regardless of where you belong, are you in ECOWAS, are you in AES, what we want is results. Proof. Show working. That is what we want. Thank you so very much again for your time. I don't take it for granted. Hope to see you in my next as I bring your way again more trending news. Bye.